In this video, we will be introducing our Swan Si-100 maintenance kit. All the components shown are original equipment manufacturer parts directly from Swan. OEM replacement parts will be identical to those installed on your Swan when it was initially built. As a result, you can also expect the exact same levels of performance and quality once the repair has been completed. In addition to an exact fit and finish, to better meet your needs, we offer phone, text and video chat support to help you with any install you may have, or just want to ask questions about our Swan Si-100 maintenance kit. You can visit our website at www.ShaveIceSupplies.com or call us at 702-476-2337 during normal business hours. We also offer our text support line at 702-861-8967. Thank you for watching.